I was so impressed with what Bonnie did for the Fairy Garden Challenge today. I went into my kitchen and put something together similar but different as she did. That's the whole point. You don't have to match somebody's, but she inspired me to get in there. I have thought about it and I'm going to do a recreation for everyone that joined in on this fairy challenge. I have watched all the videos and there was so much inspiration, so many great ideas. So let's see what Grandma came up with. I know it's not going to be as nice as what Bonnie did, but that's not the point. The point is she inspired me and I did something similar from that inspiration. Now let's see what Grandma did. Please go over and check out Bonnie's post on the fairy garden. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Come on. She's only got 44 views. I know you guys will love it if you just get over there. Start watching it. It is fabulous. Good evening to all my awesome friends and family. I hope you are going to enjoy this recreation of something similar to what Bonnie did on her channel. Thank you so much. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already following, think about following. Make sure you go over to the June 1st Fairy Garden Challenge and see what everyone did for it. And go over and check out Bonnie's video. It was done beautifully. This coming week, I'm going to try to do an inspirational recreation, something similar to everyone that joined in on this challenge. I'm doing Bonnie first, but you will see more to come. So just keep coming back. We'll do a fairy post every day and a recreation every day. Let's hope Grandma can do that many fairy gardens. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. Now let's see how this one turned out. Today I was watching all the beautiful fairy gardens that all my awesome friends put together. I was so impressed by these fairy gardens. I'm going to do a fairy garden for each one of them to show that they really inspired me to try to do something similar. Of course, they're not going to be as nice, but I will try my best. This is a 3D background for my fairy garden display today. I thought it looked pretty good, and it's photographing pretty good too. As you can see, lots of beautiful fairies dancing around and having fun together. A big celebration, so excited about the Fairy Garden Challenge today. They couldn't believe how everyone put together such beautiful displays. So I thought I would show you. This one is similar to what Bonnie put together. Bonnie did a wonderful job. Mine, of course, isn't as nice, but at least it's an inspiration of hers. I know it's going to be hard to believe. There was no money spent on this display. Everything you see I already had and owned. All the beautiful flowers, and I put a little bit of whimsy from my Mackenzie Child's pieces. I have my Mackenzie Child bee and my butterfly, and I have 2 herb pots in here. You barely can see them because I have so many florals. And of course I have my beautiful air plants. I wanted this to be full of whimsy, beauty, and color. Now here is my sweet little ballerina. Believe it or not, I've had her about a year, and I bought her at a Goodwill store. And she was in perfect condition, so you know I snagged her up. I wouldn't say she was cheap. I think I paid $7 for her. But she was in good shape, and she's beautiful, and best of all, look at how beautiful she photographs. Just beautiful. Everything you see we've already used in a past post, so there's no expense anywhere. And here's another one of my Mackenzie Child pieces. This is my King Frog. He's pretty smitten by the little fairy that likes to dance. Every chance he gets, he watches from afar, loving to see how she dances. I don't know if he likes the way she dances or if he just loves her. We'll have to find out in the future. I don't know if she notices it or not, but I have noticed in the past when the two of them are together, he's always watching. We have all our beautiful mushrooms too, and butterflies all about. I have all these beautiful little metal ones too. This is my little metal butterfly and my beautiful flowers. I have a bee over here, and I have a bumblebee over here, and my dragonfly is over here. Well, I hope you enjoyed what we had to share, all the beautiful flowers, and how I put everything together. I really had a lot of fun trying to recreate something similar to what Bonnie did. Bonnie did a wonderful job on hers. Please go check it out. It was gorgeous, and please go check out the playlist for the Fairy Garden Challenge on June 1st. Oh my, it was so nice. So many great creators came up with some beautiful ideas. Let me know what you thought of my recreation, something similar to what Bonnie did. I didn't have a beautiful backdrop like she had. Maybe next year I will make sure when I start the fairy challenges I buy one. I did notice it did add a lot of beauty to Bonnie's beautiful display. But I did have something to put in the back. A 3D fairy display. What did you think of it? Leave me a comment in the comments section. Let me know what you thought. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. Please, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment. And if you're not already following, think about joining the family. We would love to have you. We always love new family members.